I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to look at the data or information on the photos on your iPhone. So first up is to open up our Photos app. Now I have this awful photo that I took with my phone face down on the desk, and the flash was on and it looks terrible, but that's beside the point. In order to look at the data for this particular image, we're going to tap the I icon, the letter I with a circle around it on the bottom middle of the screen. Now, as you can see here, we have a few different pieces of information that we can see. Obviously, there's a map on the bottom, which we can tap on to see exactly where the photo was taken. We can also see that it was taken on an Apple iPhone 13 Pro using the wide camera. A lot of these iPhones, if you have a Pro, have multiple lenses, so you can see which lens it was taken with, which millimeters, the f-stop, meaning the aperture, how many megapixels it was, the pixel size or the size of the image, being that this one is 3024 pixels by 4032 pixels, as well as it is 1.6 megabytes. And the other important information like the ISO, again, the focal length, meaning the 26 millimeters, the EV setting or the exposure setting, the focal length being 1.5, and then there was a 4.8 second timer on the night mode because, again, I was just looking into my desk here, so it was nice and dark. So you see all that, as well as the name of it being IMG 3684 and the date and time that the photo was taken. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.